the effect of the reading. So first calculate what is the parameter of the load. Okay, what is the find the parameter of the load and reading of 2 wattmeter like connected to measure power in the circuit. Okay, what is the measure parameter of the load and what is the reading of 2 wattmeter connected of power to measure. So everyone, first we have to the we have connection, star connection. Okay, so into the our star connection we know V phase is equal to VL upon √3. So we have to get the √3 is equal to 250 volt. Then IL is equal to I phase into the our star connection. We will be given the value of the 20 ampere. Then we have to the ZPH is equal to VPH upon IPH, means we have to 254 upon 20, means like we have to 127 ohm, because ZPH is equal to VA. Then the current, its legs behind by 40. Okay, so we have to the equation, like we have to the into the our example the given it will be the 40. Okay, so we have to the phi is equal to 40. First our parameter is equal to XL is equal to R10 phi, because into the our last session we define what is into the R10 phi, means R10 40. Then we have to give 9 into the R, because we have to the phi value. So when we have to the next what is the ZPH, into the ZPH we have to find R square plus XL square. So into the get R square, XL means 0.839 R square. Okay, so in this value have to the 1.6 into the ZPH, it's equal to the ohm. Hence will be given, we have to the given into the or we find the value of the ZPH. Okay, we have to value of the ZPH into the our VPH upon IPH, means we have to 254 upon 20. So we get the 12.7. So everyone have to find this value will be given into the our last. So we get the or we put the value of the ZPH here. So the 12.7 is equal to R square plus 0.839 into R into square. So we get the value of the 9.73 ohm. So we value of the XL is equal to 8.39 into R. So 0.839 into the 9.73. So we value of the 8.16 ohm. So in this we have to the find all the parameters, like we have to find the parameters of the load. So we find the all the parameters, like we have to the another parameters like the XL, means XL is equal to 2 pi f. XL is equal to 2 pi f into L. So we get the value of the L. We have to the load. So into this then 2 pi f into the 50, because into the our example into the our equation we have to give the f. F means we have to given it will be the frequency, means it will be given will be the 50 hertz. So I take f is equal to 50 hertz. So we get the value of the L. Then what is the total power? Total power, first I find the all the parameters. What is the parameters? Like then it will be the root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. Then root 3 VL is equal to our 440, then the 20 we have to give the cos 40, like as a 45. So 11 into 674 into kilowatt. We get the value of this. We have to total power, means root 3 into VL. Then this total power we get the W1 plus W2. So 11.674 kilowatt. Because we have to find this will be the total power, like total power will be into the 2 watts meter reading. Like we have to the like 3, so W is equal to W1 plus W2, because this will be the total power absorbed into the our circuit. So it will be the always the equation of this root 3 VL into IL cos phi. It will be the, then we get the value of the 11.674. So we will get the total power W is equal to W1 plus W2. Then we have to the watt meter reading, means 2 watt meter reading, measuring the power using the 2 watt meter reading. It will be my last section. So in get from we get the equation into the our last session. It will be the tan phi is equal to root 3 W1 minus W2 upon W1 plus W2, and the power factor will be the leading and it will be the lagging. I prove 2 equation when the effect of the power in power factor into the leading or the lagging. So W1 means we have to the higher watt meter reading. So W2 means we have to the lower watt meter reading, and also we have to the W1 and the W2 means higher watt meter reading and the lower watt meter reading. Here we get the W3 is equal to W1 minus W2 W1 plus W2, because into the our example we have to the gives the it will be the lagging. So I write down this equation, tan phi is equal to root 3 into W1 minus W2 upon W1 plus W2. If the power factor it will be given into the our example or it will be given into the leading, so the equation will be tan phi is equal to root 3 into W2 minus W1 is equal to W1 plus W2. So you have to always what is the higher watt meter reading, what is the lower watt meter reading. So the power factor or tan phi is will be given root 3 into higher watt meter reading minus lower watt meter reading upon the higher watt meter reading plus lower watt meter reading. So we have to find this what is the term will be given into the example, because you don't into the our G2 exam most of problem will be into the paper assessment. The students don't know and it will be not care about the what will be into given into our example. So everyone have to find what is the given into the our example. So into the root 3 we get the W1 minus W2 upon W1 plus W2 we find it will be the 11.674. So the W1 minus W2 we get the value of 11.674 into the tan 40 upon the root 3. So we get the value of 5.656 kilowatt. Right? We have to the W1 minus W2. Now we have to the find of the 2 watt meter reading. Okay, we have to the second terms reading of 2 watt meter. Like we have to the find individual 2 watt meter reading. So everyone have to the carefully term of the what is the exam into the example. Like we have to the term W1 plus W2 our 11.674 kilowatt and W1 minus W2 into 5.656 kilowatt. Using equation of 1 and 2 we have to the find the value of this. We have to find the value of this individual, because we have to the equation W1 plus W2 and W1 minus W2. Using the into the our maths like W1 plus W2 means 11.64 and W1 minus W2 we have to the 5.656 kilowatt, like into this. So we have to this will be the into the cancel, then 2 1, like we have to the W into W1, then is equal to given 0, then 1 into is equal to the 13 plus 1 we have to the 13. Okay, then we have to the 5 4 6 and to 7 into the kilowatt. So you get the maximum is equal to 8.66 into 51 kilowatt. Okay, so it will be the very most important how to find into the our 2 watt meter reading. You get the voltage of the watt meter into W1, so we get the value of this W2 3.009 kilo into watt. So we have to define value of the W1 and the W2, like into this we have to the find. Okay, so it will be the very most important into the power factor leading and the power factor lagging. So ability term will be the what will be into the given lagging or the leading. So we can get the value of this, like tan phi is equal to √3 into W1 plus W2 upon W1 plus W2. Then we get the √3 is equal to W1 minus W2. What is the W? Means find the value of the total. We have to define the value of the total. L, it's our parameter of the load, and the total power is equal to √3 into VL into IL into cos phi. We get the value of this. Then like we have to the next what is into the our lagging, means whenever we have to concept of the lagging. So find 3 identical coils, each of the resistance of 10 ohms, and also we have to the connection will be find into the 10 ohms, means R is equal to 10 ohm. Then we have to the connected, we have to the resistance, also we have to the coil, it's a coil of this, we have to the connection will be the 10 ohm, the reactance coil. So we supply it will be the 400 volts and frequency will be to 50 hertz. So what is the first we have to find the what is the line current. Okay, when we have to give the this, so everyone we have to the question how which will be the connection, it will be the star or it will be the delta connection. So into this we have to don't define what which connection will be given into the our example. So I requested to student, please give the example and carefully reading the whatever term will be into the given into example, it will be the star connection or it will be the delta connection, because we have to the merge of to this into the star or into the delta, to mix up into the equation what is into the star and what is into the delta connection. So whenever you have to find, we have to the only the relation between line current and the line voltage and the phase voltage and the phase current. It will be very most important into the star connection and into the delta connection. So thank you, please everyone.